I would just like to thank you for your presence in Cold Rolling and Processing Technology Summit. My first question to both of you is, how was your experience before this coming to the summit?
Yeah, I mean, the idea to come to the summit basically was to meet all customers at one place, and this has greatly helped us in a way that what would take us maybe 2-3 months to do is all achieved in one day, and it's also people coming to us, wanting to know more about what we do and our technology. So it's helped us in a big way.
Yeah, it's the same. And one precision, it's in this type of conference, you have only professional people. And each contact is very efficient because we have a feedback of the market, of the technology, and it's one day, but you have a concentration of people in charge of technology, in charge of commercial area, and with this you save a lot of time, and you have the true information, not rumor.
And I just want to ask you, how was your experience at this CRPT Day Summit?
See, we've got to meet a lot of people here, knowing what is happening in each company, how what they are looking in the next coming few months or few years. So it's greatly helped us in planning what we should do in the coming few months, coming few years, how we should look at the Indian markets. That's how it has helped us.
No comment on this.
Now, I'd just like to ask you your genuine brief about the Steel Group or any expectations from us.
In fact, Ajay Tambe is a very good friend of ours. He's more a friend than, we know him as a friend. And the thing is, we want you to do more and more, seminars like this, which bring us very close to the customer. And also, it gives us a platform for us to, tell the customer what we are planning in the future, what our technology is, And it's a one-to-one meeting, which doesn't, it's... you tend to develop a personal rapport here because, although it's a seminar, there's a lot of personal interaction also which happens. So thanks to Steel Group, this is happening.
Yeah, the same. And Steel Group, the big advantage, it's you have it's the sole conference dedicated to galvanizing, coating, and profiling. This, for us, it's a good advantage because in one day, I repeat, but in one day you meet everybody. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.